All right, so your teacher has posted a Google Classroom assignment and you have finished your assignment and you're ready to turn in this assignment. Now, there's various ways you can turn in this assignment depending on where your file is at. If your file is on your computer, you can turn it in directly into your Google Classroom assignment. If your file is in your Google Drive, you can also turn it in to your Google assignment. And finally, if your file is a video file or even an audio file, you can use both ways to turn in your assignment. So let's take a look at how to do this. So now it's time to turn in your homework. So you're going to start at your Google Classroom front page, which is the stream, and you'll go to your classwork. Once at classwork, you'll see a list of your different assignments, and you can click and expand the assignment. And then you'll want to go into the view assignment. Once you have reached the page for the assignment, you're going to look for the Add or Create button up on the upper right-hand corner. Click it, and it'll give you several options in the drop-down menu of what you want to upload. Now, obviously, if you're doing a doc, you can just create a new doc, or if you want to turn in a doc that you've worked on prior, you can hit Google Drive. Let's say you have something else, maybe something on the web. You can share the link to that on the web via this interface here. Now, finally, let's say that your teacher has assigned you to do an audio file or a video file, or even just a PowerPoint presentation. You can click on the file option, and it's going to let you access files from various sources. Your recent files on My Drive, My Drive at General, and Stored in My Drive. Now, there is an upload version here, and if you click the upload version, you can select files from your device. So if you have a video or audio file, you can simply click this and access your video that you would like to share. Once you've selected that video, you can click open, you hit the upload, and you'll see that the icon for the uploading starts. Depending on the file size and your internet connection will determine how fast the file will upload. Once the file is done, you'll see that the file is generated into the Your Work segment. Now, you can then click Turn In, and you'll have indicated to your teacher that you have now uploaded the file or the video or the audio file that you wanted to share with them for this assignment to complete it. Now, let's go ahead and say we didn't have that video file or audio file on our computer or on our device. We actually had it in Google Drive already. Well, we can go back and let's say we want to add the file to Google Drive so we have it there. All right. So we go ahead and find that file, and we can then drag and drop that file right into our Google Drive. Again, depending on your internet speed and connection and also the size of the file, this will determine how fast your upload will be into your Google Drive. Once you're finished uploading this into your Google Drive, you can click on it and you'll notice that it will probably show that it is not ready to be viewed. It takes probably 5-10 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, depending again on the size of the file, to process so you can stream this file in Google Drive itself. Now let's go back to our Google Classroom where we can turn in assignments, and again hit Add or Create. And at this point we're going to hit Select from Google Drive. And if we've just uploaded the file, it will show up in our recents and on top. If we've uploaded this file, say a couple weeks ago, we may not be able to find it, so you can just go to My Drive and search within your folders or in your drive in general. So all we have to do is click on the recent. We click on that file there that we just uploaded. You'll notice that it has the icon that it's not quite processed yet either. And you hit Add, and it'll continue processing. And you can just go ahead and submit this file to your teacher by turning in. And once it's done processing, it'll automatically show to your teacher, who can then click on it. They will be able to view the stream for the video or the audio in general. So these are two ways that you can upload your file. You can upload directly from your computer by clicking on the file itself, or you can hit the Add and Create button again and go to Google Drive and just take from that and put it into your assignment. Again, make sure that you hit the Turn In button to ensure that your teacher knows that you've turned your assignment in. Thanks for watching. Have fun turning in your work.